Hey, there's a little demonstration going on over here. Have a look at this. I think this is Stevie. I think his nickname's T-Bone. By the way, Steve, why is your nickname T-Bone?
Because of my surname, Butcher.
Butcher, very funny. So what are you doing here, mate?
Just trying out the new Poly-Shot screws that we recently received and just making sure they're okay and fit for purpose.
I mean, I'm a plumber from way back. We used to do a lot of this fiberglass, panelling on roofs, etc. And we always had trouble splitting the fiberglass, etc. What have you got that's going to avoid that?
Well, this particular screw has got basically a hole saw built into the screw.
So
and that cuts the clearance hole,
right,
so that the polycarbonate can expand and contract.
And then the rubber sealer comes down over and seals that hole.
Makes it watertight, correct.
Right. Wow, and your job is unusual in that you just stand here all day putting screws into things.
Well, not all day, but quite a bit.
Well, mate, go ahead, give us a bit of a demo. Let's have a close look at this. So here we go, into a bit of poly. There you go, it drills us on. Gee, that is fantastic.
As fast as that.
Oh, there you go, it doesn't get any simpler than that. Well done, thank you very much for that. Sorry to interrupt you. Jeez, it's going to be a busy day for him today, I would have thought, just putting screws in all day. Imagine that.